Hello, myself Yugandhara Ranjekar, student of ISMCRC, who would like to tell you my learnings about women in Indian economy. Women's participation in the Indian economy has increased significantly over the past few decades, but there are still many challenges that need to be addressed. Here are some of the key learnings about women in Indian economy. First is the gender gap in workforce participation. Despite the increased education levels of women in India, the gender gap in workforce participation remains significant. According to the World Bank, only 22.3% of women in India are in the labor force compared to 78.6% of men. Second is the gender wage gap. Women in India also face a gender wage gap, with women earning 19% less than men on average. The wage gap is even wider for women who work in rural areas or informal sectors. Third is the gender inequality in access to resources. Women in India also face gender inequality in access to resources such as education, healthcare, and financial services. For example, women are less likely than men to have access to bank accounts or loans, which can limit their ability to start businesses or invest in their own education or health. Fourth is the women entrepreneurship. Despite the challenges, women in India have increasingly been starting their own businesses and becoming entrepreneurs. The government has launched several programs and initiatives to support women's entrepreneurship and access to financial services. Next is need for policy changes. To address the challenges facing women in Indian economy, there is a need for policy changes that promote gender equality, such as better access to education and financial services, as well as policies that support women's participation in the workforce, such as maternity leave and flexible work arrangements. Thank you.